down, and that's what it looks like whenever, you know, you see the hard packed clay and how the rocks are turned over.
Take it nice and slow. Just letting him get his bearings. It's a lot to take in. How you doing, Tons?
I'm actually seeing a little bit of gold right now.
All right, first time seeing gold. Welcome to your next addiction.
So he's already seeing it, so that's a damn good sign.
Man, it's like a goddamn bazooka. You get in front of this son of a bitch, you might die.
I took a gamble bringing Tony's friend up here to work on the boat, and I think it's going to pay off.
Oh yeah.
Our wild card is working out. I had a good feeling about it. How you doing, Tom?
I'm over-breathing the hat.
Hey, just stop working and hit the free flow and then just slow down your breathing.
Overbreathing a dive helmet means demanding more oxygen than the regulator can deliver. It's a spiral that can cause a diver to pass out or suffocate.
Just slow that breathing down, son. You're huffing and puffing. Starts getting very claustrophobic if you're overbreathing the hat.
I can't feel my fingers.
Say again?
Can't feel my hands. Check that out.
You got plenty of volume.
Get me up.
Get you up?
Yeah.
Pull up the diver.
Pull him up! Pull him up!
Pull me up.
Pull him up!
Come him up, come him up.
You alright?
Look at that.
I told you not to overbreathe that hat.
Here, pick him up on deck, man. Have a seat.
Yeah, come on. Before you get too cold, because that water's going to get you cold.
Yeah, you're good, dude. You're good.
Rookie diver Jonathan Tons Rupe was gasping for breath underwater, sucking more oxygen than his regulator could provide.
So what happened there? You just lost a little bit of air pressure there?
I was fighting for air.
Yeah.
I guess because I was overbreathing.
Tons, you just got to learn to control that hat. This ain't dive school no more.
I just have to move a lot slower, I guess.
The working pressure for that regulator, I think it's like 80 psi. So if you start huffing and puffing on it so much you get below that 80, it feels like you're not getting no air at all.
That's a rough start to your dredging career, dude. Definitely a rough start. Well, we're gonna call it.
With her greenhorn spooked and her only other diver gassed after 6 hours underwater, Emily has no choice but to pack it in for the day.